Question number 2. The composite figure below contains a square, a triangle, and part of a circle. Which is the closest to the area of the figure? So when we have a composite figure and we want to find the area of the figure, we want to decompose the figure into the different pieces that we have that make up the composite figure. We have a square, a triangle, and part of a circle. So we're going to find the area of each piece separately and then add them together. So let's start with the square. We know the formula to find the area of a square is base times height. The dimensions of the square are 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. So the area of the square is 64. Let's go to the triangle next. The formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. We know the base of the triangle is 8 and the height of the triangle is 8. So we need 1/2 times 8 times 8. I'm going to take half of 8, which is 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 8 divided by 2 is 4, excuse me. So now I have 4 times 8, which gives me 32. So the area of the triangle is 32. Now I need to find the area of the circle. We're going to use really dumb circles always. Radius times 2 gives me diameter. Diameter times pi gives me circumference. And the area is pi times r times r. We have our radius in our picture is 8. So our radius is 8, which means our diameter is 16. So our area will be 3 times radius times radius. So we have 3 times 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 3, 4 times 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 1 is 192. So my area is going to be 192. Now I only have part of a circle. This is 1/4 of a circle. So I need to take 192 and divide it by 4. 4 goes into 19 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. Subtract 19 minus 16 gives you 3. Bring down the 2. 4 goes into 32 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32. Subtract and get a 0. So 192 divided by 4 is 48. So the area for 1/4 of a circle is 48. So then we want to take those three areas and add them together. 64 plus 32 plus 48. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14, carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is 14. So we have 144 centimeters squared.